Alright, this is Matt back again. Here we go with the test. It should be getting pretty close to going down to starting its suction. Let's just see. Shouldn't be too much more left. I don't want to drop the phone in the water. Alright, so I'm just putting water in here. I think I might have to cut that pipe down a little bit. Looks like it might be getting a little bit too high. I need it about, what, 2 inches below my grow media. Let's see when it's going to kick. If it kicks any second now, hopefully, if everything's working right, if I know what I'm doing, which, oh, I hear something. Okay, here we go. We got some water coming. Yes, it's working. So let's see. Coming out down there, so that part's working. Let's see. It appears like it's going down. I still probably need to shorten that standpipe probably about a ½ an inch or so, just to be on the safe side. And this water is probably coming in to the grow bed faster since I'm filling it with the garden hose right now. So we're probably a little bit faster than it would be. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out of that one, and we're going to try this other one over here and see if this one is sucking out. Let's just see. So we're going to fill it back up. So there's that first one. It's coming out pretty good. As you can see that. So I only have a 50-gallon tank. I'm just going to use feeder goldfish for right now. Just because I don't know how good I'm going to be at this. I want to make sure I don't kill everything first. So this is South Carolina. It's the winter time, but I'm still going to, with this greenhouse I bought from Tucker Supply. Got it on sale for $50. Couldn't argue. Darn good. So we'll see what happens here. That is draining. It is doing great. Now I know that's probably more water that's going to be in it. Once I get my grow media, it's going to offset that by about 60% of the water. So that should help some. But it is draining. And I am shocked because I'm not the most mechanical person, and my wife would definitely tell you that for sure. So it is draining out. So let's see if this one here kicks in. Because once it does, that should be my 50 gallons of water that I need for my tank. And I'm not going to take the water out because I'm not going to waste the water because it ain't cheap around here. So I'm going to definitely keep that in there. So I'm assuming it's getting ready to go. We'll go ahead and hold this up for right now. Alright, well, it did drain already. I went and put the hose up what was draining, so I didn't get a chance to record it to show you that it drained, but it did drain. Now, one problem I did have, I noticed as it was filling up, I had leveled this off yesterday, but apparently it was still a little bit lower on this side, so I had to kind of rig it up again with a piece of 2x4 just to give it to some height to kind of level it up some. Hopefully that'll work. I'm going to do another run. I'm going to run my all my stuff from my pump. My pump's down there in the water. It comes up through here, and I'm going to run, try to run the tube into the things here. I do have 1/2 inch uniseals. The only problem is I don't have a 1/2 inch hole, so all I have is a 1.5 inch. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this until I get a 1/2 inch. I was thinking about doing a 1.5 inch hole, which probably not a good idea, and just run it through that, or I might just kind of run it into that and just let that sit in there or something. Oh, got my fingers on front. Might just take it and run it up to here and just kind of let that set in it to kind of hold it so it, I'm sorry, right there, so it doesn't fall down. So that's what I'm going to try, just kind of let that set in there, kind of hold it down for a little bit of weight, and we'll go from there.